Good morning. Oh my God, who's driving the Escalade?
Give me your license.
Never mind, he drives a slick top. Shout out Tyler. Hey, you're on the TLR video this morning. I'm gonna go terrorize Luke. Tiptoeing in my forces. Appreciate it. What is there? Welcome to Lamborghini Charlotte Exotic Team Espresso. Oh my God, I'm nutting.
Single soul, pulling out to their Lamborghini. It is almost 10 o'clock show. Oh my God.
Bro, I'm gonna step on your fucking.
What the flip, dude?
That should sound crazy.
Rev it, rev it, rev it.
DR1 best muscle car ever made. Bro, I'm not rezzing you if you get down. Bro, hitting the crib walk. Bro, someone already got hit, bro. Are you? Bro, pulling up on bad timing. Hey, bro, your Audi don't sound like that.
You have a fucking Honda.
Oh, bro, that shit dripping, bro. Me after I get out the shower. Bro, walk like a cartoon character. He go come flying through here and spin out into that pool.
Oh yeah, I crashed my car.
I don't know what you have.
I'm in a Mustang.
That makes fucking sense. I don't even need to see a Lambo no more. This complete. Nah, fuck that Lamborghini, bro. We got a ZR1 here, bro. Holy ball sack. Oh my God. Huracan. I don't know where bro going. Bro think he is state trooper the way he parked in the median, bro. Oh my God, a semi truck. Hey, yeah. Bro, that shit lifted like a Storado, bro. What the? I got Lamborghini Huracan Performante LP6. Hey, bro, go stand in front of traffic. You know, it'd be really cool if some of these owners could just hit the gas. What?
Oh my God.
Hey, yo, spin the Mitsubishi, bro. Yeah, I think I need to change my underwear. Popcorn. Oh, it'll buff. Yeah, the Elantra.
Not quite the same level.
Man, let's see. Let's check out the interior. Oh, we got a manual.
Yeah, I'll pop the hood when we get in there.
But that bitch ain't got no exhaust, bro. What other? You look like a meth head, bro.
I know I am.
Why are you over there revving your car, bro? That shit sound like butthole. Bro, I could barely. We're about to take off. Bro, getting no traction, bro. You see that bitch spinning? Yeah. Mean, bro. Get your ass, bro. I'm still supposed to smack the shit out of you.
Oh yeah. Fight.
I got you. Bro, he almost fell, bro. You so.
Wait a second. Nah, that's
All right, let's back it up. Why are you running for a Huracan? Damn. Oh, hell nah. Bro, he's coughing. We got another one? Dude, why are there so many Mopars, bro? Go to a black barber.
No.
But they gonna get you that pristine hairline.
No. They give me lineups when I go. I don't want a fucking lineup. The fuck?
Roll back. Get active at the light. What's up with all these Supras, bro? Yeah. CMPD. Where does bro think he's going? He saw a patrol supervisor and got scared. Oh.
I'm a woman in the slave apparently.
They all come from, bro. They just spawned in. Cooper needs to do a burnout. I'm gonna need to get his fat ass out the road, bro. I thought that bitch cut out.
I know, me too.
Ooh! No plate? What's up? That's the sec. Oh my god! That's what they did. Oh my god! Womp womp. Hey, my boy got the burners on that shit. You got me so fucked up. Report hazard. Police. Other side. Report. Alright guys, I put police on Waze. Everyone will be good now. Yo! Fucking buzz, I'm a up. It's tripping. That bro's tripping. Oh my god!
What the hell?
Yo, I'm actually fucking coming everywhere, bro.
Okay, yes sir.
Bro's on the daily whims.
Yes sir, the brother, yes sir. Brother, your brother, brother, your brother.
Yo, rip it past the fucking cut. Oh! Oh my god! Yo! Ah! Ah! Give me! Give me! I need! Bubba has a fucking gap, bro. Holy shit! Yo, spin the Tesla! Oh my god, look at all of them. Run faster, run faster! Faster, faster! I'm not driving home this way, bro. Almost sent it into the fucking edge. Bro almost edged on me. Yeah, baby, say. Here.
Hey, brother, yes sir. Yes sir, brother.
Yes, sir! Does bro know how to turn off traffic? Bro, look, he got a Hemi badge on the side. What the fuck?
Do some shit.
Tweaking, bro. Bro is not getting through that. I'd hate being a firefighter on this fucking road. 74 is L.